Welcome to Xperts Tech. Today we will talk about how to install Android NoxPlayer emulator on Windows PC. Android NoxPlayer is a free Android operating system emulator that permits you to run Android apps on your PC. An easy interface makes the apps easy to use. Intuitive keyboard, mapping for app and games controls. First of all, download the Android NoxPlayer emulator. Once it is downloaded, double-click on the Nox setup file to start. Select the box where it says I have read and accept the NoxPlayer agreement and then click on install. Wait for the installation progress. Android NoxPlayer installed successfully. Click the start button to run the Nox emulator. It will ask you to log into your Google account. Type your Google email address and then click on next. Type the Gmail account password and then click on next. Click the I agree button. Click the accept button. It will take you to Android NoxPlayer emulator Google Play Store. Welcome to NoxPlayer home screen. Now if you want to see how to uninstall NoxPlayer from your PC, open the run field and then type appwiz.cpl shortcut command to open programs and features. Press OK. Select Nox App Player from the Programs and Features and then click Uninstall. Select the Uninstall button. Android NoxPlayer is getting uninstalled. Click the Complete button.
If you face any problem, leave your comment on the comment section. If you want to purchase this service, contact us on WhatsApp or email address. Like the video, share the video, subscribe to our channel for more solutions. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.